Hi there friends, welcome to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. Imagine it's a beautiful rainy evening, a cup of tea and a beautiful poha mixture. It's a perfect snack to have. So in this session I'm going to teach you how to make that beautiful poha mixture, that too in home only. So without much talking, let's see how this is done. If it's your first time visiting my channel, then please do considering subscribing to my channel. I will keep bringing you more such yummy recipes like this. So without much talking, let's see how this is done. Look, to make this poha mixture, this is all the ingredients we require. Those are 2 cups of peanuts, that's groundnut, 1 cup of fried gram, and 1 cup of dried coconut, which is nicely chopped like this, and nearly 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can adjust this according to your taste, and nearly 5 to 6 strands of curry leaves and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Look, I have taken nearly 4 cups of poha, that's flattened rice, in this bowl measurement, and salt according to the taste. And only these are the ingredients which you require to make this poha mixture. In a kadai, I have added enough oil to deep fry, and the oil seems to be very hot. Keep in mind that oil should be flaming hot. In this I am going to place a net like this, and gradually I am going to add a little by little of poha like this, and let it sit. All the bubbles will go away. Till that, don't do anything. And now the poha is fried perfectly. Now strain off the excess oil. And take this out in the plate. And similarly we do this for all the pohas. And be very quick with your hands. And similarly we'll fry all the pohas like this. And I will take this out in the same plate. The proportion of poha or the flattened rice which I have taken is 1:4. And you need to know, when you are frying this poha, the oil should be blazing hot at maximum temperature. Then only this flattened rice or poha will flourish, or they'll get puffed up. The high flame is the secret in this. So you do that and definitely you will get a perfect and crispy puffed flattened rice or poha. And now let's fry the peanuts. You just need to fry them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. It's more than enough. Make sure it's not burnt. Look, it's perfect. Let's strain this and take this away in the same plate. Now let's add this in the same plate. Another batch of peanuts. Let's take these also out. Look, there is a basic rule of deep frying the ingredients. So whenever you deep frying the ingredients such as peanuts or any other ingredients, always take them quickly before 2 shades, because the heat inside the ingredients and from the oil itself gives it another 2 shades extra, so that you need to take them out of the oil before 2 shades. So this is the basic rule of deep frying the ingredients to the perfection. Now let's add the fried gram. This is done. Let's strain this and take them out in the same plate. I'm here taking a 1 cup of fried gram. Keep in mind the fried gram is already fried. They are already fried or baked. So you don't need to overcook them. You just need to saute them in the oil for about 30 seconds. That's more than enough for that one. And we'll add a cup of chopped dry coconuts. And we'll saute it until it gets a nice red color on it. Look, they are nice golden in color. Now this is perfectly done. Let's strain this and take them in this plate only. Similarly, we'll fry this curry leaves. Keep a safe distance. The curry leaves are also nicely done. Let's strain them and let us add this into this plate. Look, all the ingredients are nicely fried and it has been perfectly crispified. And for this I am going to add a required amount of red chili powder. In this case I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of it. You can always adjust according to your taste. A half a teaspoon of turmeric and salt as per taste. And now let's mix them nice and good. And here you go, the crispy and tasty poha mixture is ready to devour. Didn't I told you guys, this poha mixture is this easy to make. If you have all the ingredients ready, it will take not less than 15 minutes. Everything will be ready. And you just need to mix it and boom, here you go. You yourself have a nice and tasty poha mixture snack in your hand. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and hit the notifications to all. Then only you will get all the updates of mine whenever we upload a new video. I will be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is your host on this Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.